Hello, and today we are with the Minecraft Masters. We are playing some Moolah Wars, as you may see. Let's go to Storm. So, we should go to team. Sit on team. Wanna see if there's my friend. Rusky, hopefully he's here. No, so I will go to Gray. Gray, please. Gray? Red? Not available? You know what? Oh, it's only, it's only 2 pizzas. So I will see you when we are there. So it is counting down. Okay. I'm gonna go overpowered and if no one votes, I might just get double health. I hope it's double health. I'm pretty sure it's normal. Normal health and normal items. Not too bad. One gray, right? No, I'm pretty sure I took purple. I wish I could. Okay. 2 pants, dang it. Oh yeah! So, I will. And then this certain pants has to go to that person. So, I'll see you when I am building to mid. And goodbye. My egg was just destroyed. I wonder who or where did it. I was building. Oh, yellow. Bro, I can't even see him. Who's over there? That was it. I'm sorry for the lag. Oh my god. That did not work out well. So, see if we can play one more round for today. And we might get on the time limit a little low. So, just know that we can play T-Body. Start in a couple seconds. Let's fill in. Full game started. Oh yes. Dang it. Always have trouble. You have to get to like the very edge. So I'm gonna go here, get for some overpowered, and hopefully double health. I would. Oh, it's half. It's half. Oh my god. I never looked in chat to see if it was. I'm just gonna get some armor, and I will see you when I'm at mid. Hopefully, I won't die. So, I guess I'll see you. Wait, I need to get in here. I will see you on the bridge. No weapon. Hopefully I can get my gen. Oh god. Why did he do this? Why? Oh my god. I really hate this guy who did this. Oh my god. Why do you have to do parkour? Why? I mean, I can do it. Oh my god. Is he like singing his teammates are trustworthy? I am trustworthy. I can get to a diamond gen. So I will see you when I'm actually at mid. I mean, I assumed I could get mid without dying, but lucky. Wait. We want to get out. Is that okay? Okay. So we have gotten out of the That's a big surprise. So I will go to mid. They have made a better bridge. I still say you don't have to go this high. You can just like fill in the blanks about. Does that work? Oh god, I am very suspicious of that working. Do I actually have to do this? Yay! Okay, so we have successfully died. So, that will be it for today's video. And I will see you next time.